Hi everyone. Okay, so we all know I'm new to YouTube and I low-key am not getting any views, likes, or comments. So if you could please help me out, I'd be very appreciative. Okay, so long story short, just fucking comment. That's all I need. I don't care if you're hating, saying I'm cringe, I don't care. Just comment. Just comment on this video. Say hi. That's it. Maybe ask me a question or two. That's literally all I need to keep me going right now. I'm going insane. Hopefully I can get this as a um what's it called? Hopefully people will watch this. Yeah. Okay, bye.